In this video tutorial we're taking a look at QuickBooks Online and we're going to demonstrate how you can edit the invoice reminder default email template. It's really easy to do, it's just a case of finding it. It's a bit buried away in QuickBooks. So the first thing you need to do is top right hand corner, click on the settings cog here, and then from the dashboard that comes up you want under your company, you want top left option which is account and settings. And then from the next page that loads up you want sales, so that's the second tab here on the left. You click that once and it goes into all these settings here. The reminders are down near the bottom, they're free from the very bottom. Reminders, and then this text here, default email message for invoice reminders. Click that once and then click on the arrow that appears here, drop down arrow, and that brings up the default email template. So I've already edited mine, yours will probably look quite different, but this is the subject line, so this is the title of the email, so you can edit that. I've got reminder your payment is now due. You literally click on it, type in whatever you want the default subject to be. Use email greeting is ticked, so my standard greeting, I'm going to keep QuickBooks' standard greeting, which is dear, and then the full name obviously taken from the QuickBooks database for that particular customer. Obviously you can play around with it a bit and have lots of different options, but to me the full name makes the most amount of sense. Remember, if you're sending your invoice reminders individually, you will get the chance to double check each one as they go out, so you can make a little tweak depending on the customer. And then here is obviously your standard email message, so we're sending a reminder to let you know the invoice, and then this bit's crucial, invoice number, leave that in and QuickBooks will input the invoice number for you. Has not been paid. Then you can put in whatever you want. I've included the bank details, so you can put in the bank details or maybe a link to how they can pay online. Thank you for your business, and then a signature obviously with your contact details on, so they know who it is, but B, they can then come back to you if there's some type of problem. You've got a little tick box here if you want a copy of the reminder to come to your QuickBooks email address. If not, just leave it unticked. Once you've made all your changes, it's a case of clicking save, and then on the bottom right hand corner of the next screen click done, and that'll save that. I'll show you how to send a reminder. You might get to your invoice tab slightly differently to me. I've got mine laid out. I use the invoices quite a lot, but when you find the invoice that you want to send a reminder to, you click the arrow that appears over here on the right hand side, and it gives you drop down of all lists of what to do, and then one of them is obviously the option to send a reminder. It comes up and confirms the invoice number, shows you the invoice, and then it basically gives you the chance to edit the invoice. Mine's not working at the moment, but basically once that's loaded up and you double check it and are happy with it, you literally just click the send button here, and it goes off. So yeah, that's how to edit the settings for the default email invoice reminder on QuickBooks. We've got a few other videos showing you how to get the best out of QuickBooks Online. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching.